Hey, we're halfway there. This is tutorial number 5 for Tinkercad, and this one we're going to do size it up. So let's get into that tutorial. Now, in size it up, we're going to make a change to the basic shape of the box by sizing it up. Now, what we're going to do is extend each box to fill the hint, the orange hint. Right now we've got 3 red boxes out here on the work plane, and we've got where it wants to go. So let's get started. It says instructions. Select a box by left-clicking on the shape. That's going to enable the shape handles. I can hide the little dialog here. Use the black handles on the bottom edge of each shape to size the shape in a single direction. Use the white handles on the bottom corners to size in 2 directions at once. Okay, so I'm going to, this one needs to get longer on each side. So I'm going to take the black and I'm going to move it this way. Take the black again. I'm going to move it that way. Perfect. Okay, so let's do this other one here. And it might be easier for you to look at it from the top view. Might also be easier to focus in using the F button or this button here. I'm going to take my black one. I'm going to move it there. Perfect. Take black. Move it there. You can always click this home view to get back to home. Now this box over here, let's focus in on it. Look at it from the top. We can size this in 2 directions at once, and we can do that with the white handles. So I'm going to move it with the white handles. I'm going to move it to the white handles. There, and it now fits in this hint. Perfect. Click the home button. We're back there. Hey, you did it. Guess what? You're going to take another screenshot and put it in your slideshow. All right, we're halfway done. 5 more tutorials to go, and you're on your way to being a Tinkercad genius.